What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to fix a shaky wall today. It's actually this right here. As you can see, it shakes, and it shakes because it's not anchored properly to the ground. You're going to need a hammer drill. By the way, Chicago Electric, I always buy Harbor Freight tools. They save money, and for DIYers, they're actually really good. If you're going to use them constantly, I would not recommend it. You're also going to need Tapcon screws. These are 3/8, kind of overkill for what I'm going to do here, but it'll work. And you're going to need a drill bit for actually drilling into concrete. And whatever size fasteners or Tapcon screws you're using, make sure you drill the right size hole. I'm still going to have to look up whatever size I need to drill for 3/8 anchors. But the first thing you want to do is hammer this bottom board to where it hits the ground. And actually, that already fixed it, but it's not a permanent fix. I'm gonna get a 2x4 and I'm gonna scab it onto right here. I'm gonna get another 2x4 and scab it onto right here, and then I'm gonna anchor that to the bottom board and to the side boards. Anyways, I'm gonna do the concrete anchors first. Also, when you're drilling into cement, to screw in Tapcon or for Tapcon anchors, something else you really want to do is drill just a little bit. Clean out the hole and then keep drilling. Clean out the hole. Just make sure you don't have too much debris in there. I usually go in maybe about 1/4 of an inch, clean it out. 1/4 of an inch, clean it out. I overdo a lot of things, but I've never had any issues with Tapcons, and I actually taught myself how to use them, to be honest. Don't follow all these little steps, chances are your hole's gonna be messed up, or you're gonna have something's gonna not go right. The bit's gonna break, something will not go right. Okay, so just to recap what I did, I hammered this bottom board down, or the bottom plate, I hammered it down to the ground, and all the way until it's touching the ground. I pre-drilled a Tapcon anchor with the correct size, depending on the Tapcon anchor I'm using. I fastened that, and then I scabbed these on, attaching to the bottom plate and both side plates, or both studs. Anyways, like I said, that's how you fix a shaky wall. And you should never have that issue again once you fix it once. As always, if this helped you out, even if it helped you with using the Tapcon screw, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you know a better way to fix a shaky wall, let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys. I'm out.